Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in turn, we receive incredible loyalty. See? And you'll be amazed. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.